last time we demonstrated the RepUmeter, how you want to go from app security, being competitive, branding to the one. Question is, when do you know that you're really in the one category? What happens in your business that you should know that you are in the one category? And this is basically what happens when you know that you don't have to compete for business anymore. People just come to you. You don't have to make phone calls. You don't have to run after anybody. They just come to you. They join you. Another thing that happens when you are in the one category, you set whatever price you want. Price is not an issue anymore. Of course, you're always going to find people who cannot afford your service, and that's okay. They don't have to work with you. But you are the one who can set the price because there is no competition for you. You get to choose with whom and when you want to work. And you have the liberty, the freedom to turn away any business that does not fit your prerequisite. When you are the one, you only work from a position of passion. You love what you do. You're passionate about what you do. And you don't work from a position of need, because I need to work with them. When you are the one, you're getting known as the best. Really expensive solution, but the best. And that's if they can even get you. When you are the one, people begin to emulate you. They're looking to you because they want the answers that you have. When you work as being the one, you start working from a position of passion. You start creating new things, writing new things, recording new things, things that go around all your circles. Everybody talks about you. Everybody talks about your work. Everybody's thinking, what can I do that he or she is doing that can help me become as strong as he or she became?